Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur ma chaîne French with Loveleen. After getting so many requests, today I'm going to introduce a new segment of my channel that is Quick French Learning. Here you will get some short but very effective videos which will help you to enhance your vocabulary so that you can make sentences on your own and some very important French phrases and expressions. So now without wasting more time, let's learn quickly. Lesson number 2. Hey, in this lesson you will learn how to say how are you in French. We have two kinds of ways, that is formal and informal. So if you are formal with somebody, then you will say comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? That is how are you? And if you are very informal with somebody like your parents, your friends, then you can say comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? And we have one more way, that is the neutral one. We say comment ça va? Comment ça va? That is how are you? So we have three ways. First with the formal, that is comment allez-vous? And informal language, that is comment vas-tu? And the neutral one is comment ça va? Comment ça va? Alright, so I hope you understood this, and now what do you have to do? You have to use these sentences. Alright? Okay, à la prochaine. See you next time. Bye bye. Okay, so if you like my channel and you want to learn more French lessons, then just subscribe my channel French with Loveleen. And the subscribe button is just here below, red button. Okay, just press it and you will get more videos. Even these videos you can check. These are basic videos. Okay, it's gonna help you a lot. Okay, so see you next time. À bientôt. Au revoir. Bye bye.